gentlemen, welcome to my YouTube, One Mo Z. Please subscribe, like, and share. Let's get this show on the road. I purchased this thing from Amazon Prime. My buddy was good enough to let me use his Prime in order to get this at a cheaper deal and get it delivered the very next day. I was super excited. If you watch my other video with the knives and the axe, I mentioned that there was something that I really wanted to buy and I couldn't find it at the FC surplus store. Well, here it is, but it's from Amazon, Amazon Prime. Let's get it going, let's open it up. So, starting off with a plastic Pelican-like case. I'm not too sure about the rigidity of this thing. Opening it up, there appears to be like some sort of seal around this right here. And however, it might keep some water away, but I wouldn't like dunk this in a lake or nothing like that. First things first, some emergency blanket. Keep yourself warm. Shabam bam. Awesome. Alright, woo, this is what I really wanted in here. This is awesome, but it's really small. Look at that. Oh my god. It's like smaller than my finger. Ugh. Gonna have to put all these things to the test, people. I am going to do this, and then we're gonna put these to the test. Right here, we got this little wood cutting saw. Hold it with your fingers, and this is awesome. I heard a lot of good stuff about this. Can't wait to put it to the test. I found one just like it at Canadian Tire for like $5. I'm like, oh no, I'm good. I'll just get it in the survival gear and hopefully it will work and it will not break. Remember, all this stuff is from China. Right here we have, ooh, really nice. A really nice pocket. It looks like leather-like kind of, but I'm pretty sure it's not leather, it's plastic. Right here we have a multi-purpose pocket survival tool. Awesome, look at that. And it's stainless steel. I mean, this thing is, it's pretty thick and ooh, very sharp here on the saw end. I'm pretty sure I can saw a knife with this. I mean, saw wood with this. And right here we have the knife, can opener. We have a screwdriver in here. We have a 4-position wrench, which is here in the middle. This thing that looks like a key. This is pretty awesome. We're gonna put it to the test for sure. Let's put this aside for now. Skip on to the next product. Oh, bam bam, look at this. This is awesome. I think this is a whistle, I'm not sure. But let's see. Look, we can put some stuff in here. Maybe some matches, some flint, some cotton balls, whatever you want to fit in here, start your fire. And if there's a coyote or anything coming near you, you want to be loud, right? Alright, so it works. Awesome. Next up, compass. Let's see. I know north is this way, so we'll see which way it's pointing. And it's pointing this way for north. Let's turn this side. Still pointing north. And it is incredible. I've seen stuff this small at Canadian Tire that were not even working properly. I can't believe that this thing is working. I mean, just the fact that this compass, I mean, it's working slow, but it's always pointing the right way. Something that this compass is telling me is the rest of the stuff will work amazing, but we don't know yet. We're gonna put it to the test, right? We're gonna see. This is so cute. What is this? Like a little pouch. Oh, this is nice. Look at this, guys. Oh man, this is some heavy duty Swiss Army stuff. This is awesome. Look at the size of this thing. This is awesome. What? What is this? A flame? It'd be cool if this was a torch or... Okay, this is very bright. It's a flashlight. It's a freaking... Wow, look at this. This is amazing. Now we can show you the compass. It's pointing north. Okay, maybe you can't see it. It's pointing north. You see it? Alright. Shut this off. Put it on the side. One thing that this survival kit right here does not have, we're gonna put this right back, is a knife. So you can add a pocket sized knife in here and guys, I mean girls, ladies, all set to go slam dunk this knife in here. It's not part of the survival tool, but we're gonna put that knife in there, okay? And we will most definitely put all these things to the test. Put all this stuff back together here real quick. Throw a whistle in here. Look at that. This is amazing. Like, see, it comes with this little padding right here. There's ample space in there. If you want more space, remove these things. You have more space in there, but it should all squeeze in together, and my knife should fit in there without a problem. But we're gonna see right now. And there you have it. All right. So first things first is this emergency blanket. Let's put it to the test. Oh no, this is see-through stuff, guys. It's see-through. It's definitely see-through. It's not those high quality ones. But let's see if it'll keep me warm a little bit, alright? It's kind of cold out here. Ooh, I love how it just sticks to you. Alright, let's see. I can definitely feel body warmth. Oh man, this is actually working. Nice. Okay. This is awesome. Alright, cool. And you can actually make a little shelter out of this. Cool. As soon as you put your hands on it, you feel the warmth. Alright, let's move on to the next item. It doesn't want to get out. Alright, there we go. So we're gonna take this and we're going to try and stick it on here. So what I want to do first is I want to make a slit right here into the wood and shove this in and then see if we can saw a little something with it. Alright, so we made a crack in it. I would have liked it to be a bit bigger. See if we can keep going on this. There's our crack if you see it. Leaving some holes in between so we can wrap her up. So next thing you need is some cordage. There we have it. Alright, let's put it to the test, I guess, you know. The kind of work she could do. It doesn't work the best, to be honest with you. But it is cutting through wood, that's for sure. Using our beautiful tool right here so we don't hurt ourselves. Let's try and see how well this works. Perfect. There we go. This works actually pretty good. Move on to strikers. Okay, let's see if we can get some action on this. So we are getting sparks. As you can see, this is pretty awesome. Awesome. Next item. This one was not part of the box, but here's a picture of it right now. with it being on this stick earlier that I tried. Check it out. Awesome. Okay, next item. Alright, so this thing right here, does it work? Does it not work? I have no clue, but we'll put it to the test right now and see what she's all about. Yay! Alright, without hurting ourselves. Ooh, oh nice, look at that. Look at this thing. Alright, what should we cut with it? Okay, let's try something here. Let's try to cut this. Wow, look at that. It's actually cutting through pretty nicely, eh? See if I can use this guy just for a little bit of more, support. Because my fingers are obviously not wanting to take the little incy-bincy pain that this thing's giving out, so. Oh. She did do a significant amount of damage here. This was what was cut through with it. Pretty cool tool. Yep, there you have it. Yeah. I wouldn't want to cut anything with this. It was easy at first. I loved it, but I don't know. All right, let's move on to the next object. Our whistle. Little container to put our stuff in there. I think I'm gonna put maybe, if it'll fit. Not sure if it'll fit, but I'm gonna try to put a few of my self-made waterproof matches. Check that video out. I have it out, how to make your own waterproof matches. And I'm gonna get it out of my survival pack, which you can check that video out too. How to make your own little survival pack. See, it rolls up and everything. It's awesome. I have everything in here. Tar. Yes. Still good. Awesome. If it fits 3, then that's 3. If it fits one more, I'm gonna put one more in there. Be small, okay. So how are we gonna do this? We need to cut these into small sizes. And I know just the machine to do the job. Our little pliers right here. Perfect. Let's see if they'll fit. And they fit. Look at that, people. Look at that. Awesome. Now we got some matches in here. And last but not least, our little compass. Thanks for enjoying this video. Subscribe, like, and share. Awesome.